If you've ever stared at your banking app and whispered, "How do I stretch $100?" This is for you. Because $100 isn't the end of the month, it's the beginning of a system. ChatGPT isn't magic, it's a force multiplier. Pointed at a painful problem, it prints opportunity. If you want more step-by-step, no-hype playbooks like this, hit subscribe now, then let's build. 3 rules. 1. Solve a real expensive pain. 2. Move in days, not months. 3. Reinvest profits until the system earns without you. Budget map, $15 domain, $15 for site builder month 1, $30 for proof samples logo, $20 for test ads or lead tools, $20 for automation credits. ChatGPT is free. Open ChatGPT. List 10 urgent problems for local businesses I can solve with AI in 48 hours. It gives you rewriting real estate listings, polishing resumes, Etsy product descriptions, restaurant menu translations. Pick one. Choose boring, repeatable, valuable. Example: I turn messy property notes into sell-ready listings in 24 hours. Pick one niche and own the 24-hour execution. Ask ChatGPT. Write 3 listing versions: luxury, family, investor. 150-200 words, headline, bullet points. Now package it. Basic, $29. Plus, $79. Pro, $199. Spend $20 to create a polished before-after PDF. Proof sells. Proof converts attention into paid tests. Buy a domain. Create a 1-page site. Headline: turn your notes into ready-to-sell listings in 24 hours. Packages $29, $79, $199. CTA: upload your notes. Get listings tomorrow. Intake form, notes, photo link, deadline. Simple, frictionless, 1 page, 1 sale funnel. Use ChatGPT to write cold DMs. Example: Hey Sarah, I saw your listing on Main Street. Great property, but the description could use stronger language. I run a 24-hour Polish service. Can I redo that one for free to show you the impact? Send 50 a day. Attach your before-after proof. Record a 30-second loom with a rewritten headline. Instant trust. Intake cleanser. Organizes client notes. Draft engine. 3 listing versions. Polish, clarity and flow. SEO. Local keywords. Tone match. Client voice. Deliver in 24 hours. 1 revision. Every delivery. Faster templates. Close 15 basics at $29, 5 plus at $79, and 1 pro at $199. That's $1,029 in 2 to 4 weeks. Reinvest into ads, site polish, and more proof samples. Proof compounds growth. Retainers: 4 listings per month at $399 to $799. 10 retainers =$4,000 to $7,000. Team: pay freelancers $10 to $20 per draft. You polish and deliver. Automation links intake to delivery. Upsells: photo captions, neighborhood blurbs, social reels. That's how you break 10,000. The roadmap is simple. 100 launches you, 1,000 proves the system, 5,000 scales it, 10,000 arrives when you stop selling hours and start selling systems. AI is a tool. You are the strategist. Disclose AI use, protect client data, and make every line serve the buyer. 1 sale, 50 messages, 1 page. You picked a pain, aimed AI at it, and refused to wait. Subscribe for more playbooks. Comment which niche you want a full prompt stack for next.